Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Great little car, guys. A buddy of mine down in Tennessee, Scott, found this car for me. Great car. I guess a buddy of his bought it at the Columbus, at the Nationals down there in Columbus about 5 years ago. It's been down there with him ever since. But great car. This factory color combination, butternut yellow with the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. Matter of fact, I believe all the interior is actually original except for the carpet's been changed. Great car. When he bought it, it's got the matching numbers 327. Had a 2-barrel on it. He's converted it to a 4-barrel, put some disc brakes on it. Of course, he's added the wheels and tires to it, but great car. It's got the black nose stripe, front and rear spoilers. The entire drivetrain's original. The bottom of this car has never been touched, so it's just clean as can be underneath. It's not painted on or anything. All your original trim. So you can kind of pick at some of the stuff, and I'll try to show it to you as we go through. It's got the painted on stripe. That bumper's definitely newer. Always need to wipe it off a little bit. But pretty car. All your stainless is nice. Of course, the black vinyl top's in great shape. Dash in there is nice. Car has been repainted, but that's the original color combination on it. Again, the rear deck spoiler. Couple little marks I noticed on it. There's one up here, and I'd say I can get Eddie to touch those up. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are brand new 18 and 20 inch rocket wheels, brand new rubber all the way around the car. It's got a new fuel tank underneath it, all brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. They've added the front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. Again, this is a matching numbers 327 engine. They've added the 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the original automatic transmission in it, the stock rear end, so it's not a big gear or anything like that. And the car runs and drives excellent. Jay's driven it a couple times and said it really drives out good. There's a complete title history that goes with the car back to the day it was new. That's in the glove box. We've got the original Protecto plate and owner's manuals for the car. You can see that A-pillar chrome's all original. Definitely got newer door handles on it. This is all the original black vinyl interior except for the carpet. They've definitely replaced that carpet. But those are the original seats. Bucket seats console. It's got the tilt column with the wood sports steering wheel in it. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory dash showing 727. You know, they got that peak in those gauges there with the glass on them, so it's hard to see, but it's just turned over, so it would be just over 100,000. Aftermarket AM FM radio. It's got the factory tissue dispenser, some aftermarket gauges, original console. Again, it's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with the original 10-bolt rear end in it. Oh, sorry guys, there's a little dust in there. Original protecto plate, the owner's manual. It's got the factory jack with an old bias supply spare. All original body panels, guys. It's all spackle coated in there like it should be. Again, we left this thing alone underneath. This car's not all painted on or anything like that. The underbody is clean, rock solid, guys. New fuel tank. Missing one of your little rubber bumpers there. Sorry guys, a little wax. My boys are going to have to get on them about cleaning these things. Little split in the interior there. You see the console light in the back still works. Again, your original tissue dispenser. Door handles are nice. A-pillar chrome's nice. You can see a little pitting there. Again, just a good running small block, guys. Good, clean, straight car. Fuel gauge works. Looks like all your gauges down there are working. Backup lights work. Yep, blower motor works, radio works. Again, your gauges are working down there. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. I've probably got 15 cars that I don't have advertised. But usually I'll get a picture on our Facebook page. You can check us out, or our website at southernmotors.com. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give Leroy a call, give Jay a call. You can do that at 248-620-3355. Yeah. Truck pulled out in front of him. Yeah, this ain't gonna make for a good video. Have a great day, guys.